Who lets the dogs out? It's me today. Welcome to Huawei Connect, here from Bangkok. Today we let the dog out, but of course it's not for letting the dog out, it's for really great purposes. If you are just in a fire and this dog can find you, it can save you, it can go into the building when it's too dangerous for firemen and when it's too dangerous to get in, this dog can get in and can find you at the fireplace. It can guide you in and can guide you out at the right spot. But also we have some more. This dog can help you with machine inspections, either regular manual type of inspections like I do now, I control it, but it can also be fully autonomous. Fully autonomous by going into a factory, finding out if all the machines are doing okay, maybe there's a leakage, maybe there's some kind of item which is not correct, because we have cameras over here which it can check in very detail and inspect it just for you, when it's unsafe or when it's just routine type of job. I control it right now. She's going to help us with the guided tour. So luckily I'm not only with the dog, I'm also getting support today from William Dong, and he's the President Marketing Cloud from Huawei. Welcome, William.
Nice to meet you, Ronald.
Good to meet you, good to meet you. If you can stand a little bit closer to me,
okay.
We can start talking about what she is, what she does, and how she's going to help us.
Yes. Okay.
So, William, what do we see over here, and why is this such an important innovation that we're showing here today?
Okay, so first let's start from this robot dog. And you can see this kind of robot dog is a little bit special.
Mm-hmm.
This kind of dog can be used for some kind of special task. And you can see if you push this dog, they also can normally you can put something on it.
Okay.
Why this can happen? Since for some case, if the file you need someone to enter this kind of fireplace, it must some dangers, or you want to put something inside, you can use this dog. That you can see, this dog they have the eyes.
Yes.
This camera. This camera also is not normal camera. They also have the camera and also has a lot of sensor. So if they have the fire, through the sensor, they can catch this fire and also can catch this kind of picture to send back to the fireman. So the fireman can check what happened in this kind of place.
And do the firemen need to control it, or is he also partly autonomous?
Okay, we have this kind of two-way. So since this kind automatically can go into this kind of fireplace, but when the dog finds something happened, they also can by remote control by the fireman. So you can see this, then they can do some kind of complex things. Yeah, and since this dog, they can automatically to find what happened, and also can climb this kind of sleeping place,
stairs or whatever type of
Yes.
So she responds to the environment, to the underground, and she can react to that, and she can sense it.
Yes.
So she senses what kind of stairs she is, and how she needs to respond to this. And is this operational already? Is this something that?
Yes. It's have already used in some firemen, policemen. This camera is like high definition. They can read the image, read the picture, also can read the characters. So in some place, if you want to use this kind of dog to capture some things to set what the meters inside a plant, what's the index, also can use this kind of dog. The reason they can recognize a lot of things, not only the fire, not only this kind of meters or some other things, it's just based on that. The backend, they have AI big model. Based on the model makes it more intelligent. Yeah.
And that's all operated in the cloud.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes. Okay.
Are we ready to go to the next booth?
Okay, next booth.
Let's go to the next booth.
Okay. Also can follow us.
So we brought her with us.
Yes.
But now we're not talking about the dog anymore. We're talking about AI drug discovery.
Yes.
And if we look to this domain, it took a lot of years. Sometimes it's between 5 to 7 years where it takes to get a drug discovered.
Yes.
Where we have from the 10,000 type of discoveries there are, only 250 go to the next stage. So that's very time intensive, it's
Yes,
cost
yes.
intensive,
Yeah.
sometimes $1 billion before they have an introduction of a new medicine. So from the
Yes.
10,000 it's only one that gets to the market.
Yeah.
So there's a lot to gain,
Yeah.
but how can AI help?
Yes, I think for the AI, especially for this kind of complex case, and also need the huge computing resource, then this is what AI can be do. Just now we mentioned this kind of for the new medicine. The most difficult thing is that how to find this kind of new medicine in the real world. I mean, in the real world, they have about 1.7 billion this kind of medicine molecular.
Okay.
1.7 billion. So when we want to find some new medicine, this new medicine is a totally new structure. So for Huawei, what we can help our medicine, this kind of scientists do is that we have learned all the structure of 1.7 billion medicine molecular.
Wow.
Yeah, then we have used the AI to calculate it. And then we have new established about 100 million. This kind of a totally new medicine molecular. Yeah, totally. So when we learn all these things, we have this kind of database. What we can do is like this one. This is just show, for example, this is COVID-19 virus, the protein model. What we can do is that we can use this kind of 100 million this molecular to collapse it.
And simulate it.
Yeah, assimilated. And all these kind of things can be do the calculate. And if we found some molecular can landing on it, maybe this is the medicine can destroy it. So based on this kind of theory, we have found that we can find that from 100 million to just 100 choice. So when we give this 100 choice to the medicine scientist, they can do the physical test. And through the physical test, finally, they can find one.
So basically from doing 100 million tests, you can reduce it to 100
Yes,
based
yes.
on simulations,
Yes,
which
yes.
can speed up. Yeah, the cost is of course substantially lower. You speed it up in doing this drug discovery in just months, something like that.
Yes, something like that. That's why we can reduce this kind of process for several years to 1 month. Yeah, and we also have good news that we have found this kind of new medicine with with one scientist. They call it the new medicine is drug X, but maybe the formal name is different. The main drug X, they can cure a lot of this kind of virus. Yeah. Disease, not virus.
And is this still theory or is this already in practice?
Into the practice, yeah.
Let's go to the next one. Let's see if our dog comes with us. So let's see what we have here.
Yeah.
We're here in front of a digital avatar.
Yes.
I'm an influencer,
Yeah.
and why can't we duplicate myself 100 times so I can be all over the world every day
Yes.
without being physically there?
Yes.
That would be great, because then I really can create some influence. So what is required for this? And can you explain what we see over here and how hard it is to create such a realistic avatar?
Okay, I think if we have this kind of digital Ronald, I think one thing will be happened very soon. It's like your digital Ronald can speak Chinese, speak Thai, speak every language. Yeah, and then you can see what happened here. Yeah,
My Chinese is not so good yet, so that would be
yeah,
great.
you can use the digital one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here is our Huawei digital human. Just show the case here, and we can chat with her, and you can also see something amazing things happen. Okay.
Yeah, so we have a couple of things. It
Yeah.
should be very realistic, because otherwise people don't believe it. They think, hey, it's a cartoon, and then the realistic part and the trustability is not there.
Yeah.
I think it's hard to create a digital avatar. It takes a lot of time. So from the ID till creation,
Yeah, to the right. Yeah.
could take a lot of time.
Yes.
And then it should look great.
Yes. Yes.
A little bit smooth.
Yes. Yes. So first, I want to show what happened here,
Okay.
and then I will tell how for us, if run, you want to have a digital run, what we can do.
Okay, sounds
Okay.
good. Sounds
Yeah.
good.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's. Maybe you can chat with her.
Okay.
Yeah. Just like.
What's her name? Her name is Sarah.
Yeah.
Hi,
What's
Sarah.
your name?
My name is Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm very well. You're very well. We're here in Bangkok. Do you enjoy Bangkok?
Of course. Enjoy so much. How about you?
Yeah, we did very well. We did the bike tour yesterday, which we enjoyed.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Have a good day.
Yeah, thank you.
And can you speak Thai?
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ
พูดไทยได้นะคะ
Yeah.
So how many languages does you speak already?
Now you can speak just English and Thai.
Okay.
But we also can give her some new this kind of skill to learn Chinese, to learn even learn the Netherlands, learn German, learn Japanese. We can do these kind of things. But what you can see, this is about the language. This kind this kind of we say it's the natural language learning. Okay. But another things you can see like if the movement. Sarah.
Yes.
So can you see my hand?
Yeah, of course.
So can you count by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
Yes, sure.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start with the 1,
2,
2,
3, 4,
and
5.
Yay.
Yes. So you can see this kind of movement. Why they can learn this kind of movement? Since when we establish this kind of module, they have learned the bone structure like the human. You know, our human we have 207 bones. Yeah.
Okay.
And this kind of model also can establish this kind of model. So they can do this kind of somehow it's a complex this kind of movement. Yeah. And so you can see, based on the Sarah, they can do the live stream. They also can, like today, they can introduce this kind of booth to our guests.
And let's say have the speech combined with the movement, which is very hard,
Yes, yeah.
and be a total interaction like a human.
Yes, and also in some country, they want to do the exercise. Yeah.
Yeah.
The exercise. They want you if you find some this kind of teacher to train to teach you. They also use.
We can see her in real life,
Yes,
and you get
yes.
trained much better
Yes.
and much faster probably,
Yes.
because you can really see what she's doing, whether you play tennis or
Yes.
whether you're in the gym.
Yes.
It doesn't matter.
Yes. Okay.
Fantastic.
Yes, and this kind of virtual human, for us, we can provide this kind of pipeline, this kind of development pipeline. So if you want to build a person, Ronald or like William, you just use the picture, your picture. Maybe it's a simple one, not this kind of a 3D. If I want to this kind of 2D, 2D this kind of virtual human, it's just based on send the picture to the pipeline. Then they can give you a virtual human.
And convert into
Yes,
a 3D.
just
Wow.
minutes.
Wow.
Yeah, and for the 3D, this kind of version, we can do like several days. Then can help you to have this kind of virtual.
So tomorrow I'm there.
Yeah, if you like it, yeah. If you like it, yeah.
That would be great.
Yeah.
That would be
Okay.
great.
Yes.
All right. Thanks
Okay.
a lot. It was a great booth tour.
Okay.
Thank you, and thank you for watching here
Okay,
from
thank you.
Huawei Connect
Yeah.
in Bangkok.
Oh, also.
And she started walking.
Yeah. Also, we want to say bye bye to
Yeah.
us.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye.